Our DNA faces thousands of damages daily, with sunlight being a major culprit. UVA, UVB, and high-energy visible light, or blue light from the sun, can each harm our genetic material in different ways. UVB rays directly damage DNA by creating cyclobutane pyrimidine dimers and other lesions. These can lead to mutations if not repaired. UVA and HEVIS work indirectly, activating photosensitizers in our skin. This triggers the production of reactive oxygen species, causing oxidative damage to DNA. Both UVA and HEVIS can also form dimers, though less efficiently than UVB. Our cells have sophisticated repair mechanisms to combat this damage. Nucleotide excision repair tackles UV-induced lesions, while base excision repair handles oxidative damage. For severe cases like double-strand breaks, more complex repair systems come into play. When these repair processes fail, it can result in mutations, accelerated aging, and skin cancer. That's why it's crucial to prevent DNA damage and support your body's natural repair mechanisms through sun protection and a healthy lifestyle.